For me, all I wanted was my family and to be loved by my family, but that was hard, so I had to go my own way. It was shit, really. Like, you kind of feel like lonely at the same time, and you're like trying to get yourself sorted.
He rōpū whakakainga mātou, ko tā mātou nei mahi, ko te awhi i ngā rangatahi i ngā taiuhi, kei te noho kainga kore. I ētahi wā, kei te moe a mātou nei rangatahi ki roto i ngā motoka, kei te auheke hopa rānei, they're sleeping rough on the street. So the systems that we currently have in Aotearoa aren't serving our people.
When are you going to go see Jay next?
Probably today at around 9:30, 10 a.m. Just a general check-in to see how she's going.
Yeah.
From her move-in day. Ko taku nei mahi, he taituara ahau, nō reira I tētahi rā pia kei te awhio, kei te tautoko ahau, I tētahi rangatahi no te mea kua mōrearea haere rātou o pia kei te whakaako au I ngā tūmomo pukenga, kia pēhia te whakapai I tā rātou nei whare, ai, he rereke ia rā. Kia ora, Jay.
Kia ora, Shai.
I brought some Thai.
This is my lounge where I spend most of my time. And here, this is where I spend most of my time too. I've been in Life Eyes for 3 years. Yeah. They support me with housing, support me with like all my appointments and stuff. I don't know, they do a lot for me. When I moved in, I was just new to everything. Like, I didn't know how to start my benefit and all of that. I didn't know how to sign a tenancy agreement. They helped me with all of it. I can't even explain how much they've impacted me, and I've just took it all in and be like, yeah, solid, thank you.
The reason why I came into this job was because we need more Māori youth workers. I roto I tā mātou nei kaupapa, warutiko ki te warutiko marima paiheneti, he Māori. He pā mamai te rongo ki rā tūmomo tātauranga, no te mea kei te noho kainga kore a mātou nei rangatahi Māori, ki runga I tā rātou nei ake whenua, and kia nei he raruraru tērā. There's been generations of poor policy coupled with systems that aren't designed for our people. Ko aku nei wawata mā a mātou nei rangatahi would be that there's no homelessness, because obviously we can see that it's rising day by day and it's a problem. So we need to do something about it.